What's going on, Monopoly family? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, another day, another dollar. Let's start the day correctly. So I want to break it down for you guys, show you my trade before it even happens. We still have an hour to go, so let's start the day green and hopefully we come out green. Now guys, obviously just like any other video, I'm taking the Discord chat alongside of me and hopefully we get to eat together. Just like it, by the way, look at this. You don't want to see this, guys. That's what I'm going to do to the stock market today. But let's get right into it, guys. I decided to go to the beach, guys, early enough so I can swim and analyze some stocks. Also, they've got nice Wi-Fi there, but I wasn't going to trade from the beach because too many distractions, so I had to come back home here. Now, guys, today what I'm going to show you is the triangle that I follow every single day before I execute a trade. Now, on this channel, I taught you guys how to trade my style, following the news, following the earning reports, the catalysts, because if you're new to my channel, the news will always move a stock higher or lower. When you see a stock up by 5% plus, just assume there has been PR, right? Some news article that was released on that stock, such as earning report, partnership, etc., etc. So we're gonna go through the trade together in this video, guys. But here is a quick explanation of what I look for every single day, guys. So obviously the news, we know at this stage the news is the catalyst that will move a stock by 5, 10, 50, 100%. This will cause a reaction. Traders, the market is going to react to the news in a certain way, right? Now the reaction is from traders, so you need to understand the psychology of traders. The reaction is going to cause a pattern to form. Now here's how you find your edge, is when you identify those patterns. Now on the Discord chat, which is where the triangle has been given to the Discord chat, those who follow my style of trading, there's 4 patterns that have been given, and usually we trade one of them because that's the one with the most success rate. 80%, the majority of the time, we come out profitable. So the pattern, guys, is very important. So that's based on the reaction of the trader. Now I know this might sound overwhelming to some of you guys, but I promise you, all of this can be understandable and easy with time and dedication and some education, right? Let's find the stocks we're gonna trade. Let's trade them. Hopefully we come out profitable today, seeming that it's Monday, although it is Tuesday. But again, the stock market was closed yesterday because of holidays in the US. So let's start the week correctly, guys, and you enjoy this. And as you know, guys, we have a deal on this channel. Smashy, smash that like button before we get in, and I'll see you in a few. Alright guys, so here we are. I just launched up the stocks we're watching, and I'm actually going to be trading this one, CONN. Currently it's 15% up. So what we're doing is, amongst the Discord chat, we're actually analyzing the news, analyzing the report to see if it's worth the 15% increase in the first place. So hopefully, guys, this will be a good trade and you'll see the results of the chat because I'll show you also. So this is my private stock group, guys, that follow the same style of trading. They learned, well, obviously this is not a signals group, but they learned from my course, and we're here with the same style of trading the same way every single day. So I will be trading CONN. Now guys, this is a stock, we know a pattern will form with this stock, but this is not my favorite pattern, so this is going to be a more risky trade in a way, because my confidence level isn't as great as I want to be. Now look at these guys. I usually show you this chat, killing it, guys, but the market hasn't opened yet. We have 13 minutes to go. But they don't really want to trade today. You know, they don't want, it is the first day of the week, but they don't want to trade because their favorite pattern isn't available, which means they don't really have the edge that they're confident with. So sometimes, guys, and I respect that, that is discipline at its finest. Sometimes protecting your money is better than making money. Remember that. So we're up 600, almost $600. Well, now 700, taking 50 cents on that stock. And here's the entry position. That's CON. I want to show you guys the Discord chat. Now guys, look at the Discord chat doing their thing. Let me see. Long green means profit. Alright, so some of you are actually killing it here on this stock. But it's only 6 minutes in, guys. We're going out with 600, I believe. And there we go, guys. See, I didn't even wait for the round figure, but that's 600. Let's round it up to $1. It will be 600. Here we go, guys. More reviews, absolutely killing it. It's now 10 minutes into stock market opening, and here's some of you guys doing your thing, profiting from the stock market. Others might have made the wrong decision, but that's part of the learning curve, guys. Here's 400 from Keith. Here's more reviews. Green means profit, guys. Yeah, 2%, $60. Now remember, some people are trading with large capital, others are not. So obviously the profits, the returns will differ. Small profit, 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 profit. On a good day, guys, this chat is just filled with profits when we trade a crystal clear report or a crystal clear stock. Today it wasn't crystal clear, guys. So that's why I said it was a bit of a risky trade to make in the first place. Alright guys, so I'm done with that trade, 15 minutes in, and the Discord chat should be done by 10 a.m. So 30 minutes a day, guys. We get to do what we do best. But guys, this was all done from the comfort of my home with a simple laptop. I know there's too much going on YouTube, you know, with complications and whatnot, but you follow that triangle, I guarantee you your trading will be simplified and you'll learn something new that you've never learned before, and you'll see how exciting it becomes. So if you made a loss today, just understand this, guys. This is a skill that you have to learn. It's not just a, you know, get rich quick thing. It's a skill you learn first, and then you'll take this to the grave. But before you go to the grave, you're gonna, you know, live your life, the life you want to live in the first place. So you do have to put in some time learning that skill. Just understand, a software developer goes to school for 4 years just to get an honors degree so you can go get a job and earn that money in a week, while we do it within 6 months and earn that money within 30 minutes, or in that case 10 minutes. So I don't know if that's not motivating. I don't know what is. But anyway, guys, appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you for more videos. Just remember, this is a marathon, it's not a race. So just because somebody made profit specifically on the Discord chat, if you made some profit, guys, then don't get too confident, don't get too, I guess I know it all, because this is a university degree that you'll never graduate from, the stock market. And if you made a loss, then that's fine. Tomorrow we'll get it back, just like always, guys. Tomorrow we get it back. One trade, we get it back. But the stock or the Discord chat is still doing its thing, guys. They're still sharing their profits, they're still sharing their success for today. Others are sharing their losses, and I'm pretty sure others are connecting with them. Here's more. So this person made 2,000, but he's not happy. He didn't take the profit quickly, so he made 500 instead. And here's more of you guys doing your thing. Alright, so see you again for more videos, guys. Appreciate you for watching, and peace and love, just like always.